Hello, good morning, my dear students. Today, in our maths class, our concept is comparison of near and far. So, before the starting of our concept in book, we identify the things near and far with these examples. Let's start.
Here in this picture you can see a joker and flowers. So you can see the joker is near the yellow flower and the pink flower is far from joker. Means yellow flower is near the joker, means yellow flower joker के पास है. So we will call it near. And the pink is far from the joker, means pink flower joker से दूर है. In this next picture we can see two birds, here butterfly and sparrow. So which is near the joker? Is sparrow? No, the butterfly. Yes, the butterfly is near the joker and sparrow is far from joker. Next, here you can see the chairs. The big chair is near the green small chair and the blue small chair is far from the big black chair. Next, in this picture, here you can see the doll and two pen stands, brown dog pen stand and blue Doraemon pen stand. In this picture you can see the brown pen stand is near the doll and the blue pen stand is far from doll. Here you can see three bottles, black, orange and green bottle. The two bottles black and orange are near. Black bottle is near the orange bottle and the green bottle is far from black and orange bottle.
Okay, my dear students. Now you all knows about the comparison of near and far. Near means पास, जो चीज़ें पास होती हैं. फार मीन्स दूर, जो कुछ दूरी पर होती हैं उन्हें हम फार कहते हैं. So let's revise this topic by the use of this book. Our book Peekaboo Maths Magic book on page number 1818. Here we have three examples. Here we have in this picture, we have a sun, trees and a boy. The boy said, "The sun is far from me and the tree is near to me." This tree is near from this boy and this sun is far from this boy. It means the sun is far from me means boy क्या कह रहा है? The sun is far. Boy से sun जो है far है, दूर है. And the tree is near to me. जो ये tree है वो बिल्कुल पास है boy के. तो इस तरह से हम near and far का comparison कर सकते हैं. जो चीज़, जो thing boy के पास है वो near है और जो कुछ दूरी पर है वो क्या है? Far है. In this picture we have a boat, two fish. This fish is near the boat and this one is far from the boat. ये वाली fish बोट के बिल्कुल पास है और ये वाली fish बोट से कुछ दूरी पर है. Read the instruction. Color the fish near the boat. This fish is near the boat, so we have to color in this fish. हमें क्या करना है, जो फिश बोट के पास है, नियर है, उसमें हमें कलरिंग करनी है. In this picture, we have one house and 2 trees. This tree is near from the house and this one is far from the house. Means ये वाला ट्री घर के बिल्कुल पास है और ये वाला ट्री घर से कुछ दूरी पर है. So I read the instruction. Circle the tree far. Read the instruction carefully. Circle the tree far from the house. जो ट्री हाउस के कुछ दूरी पर है, फॉर है, उसमें हमें सर्कल करना है. दिस ट्री इज नियर द हाउस एंड दिस वन इज फार फ्रॉम द हाउस. सो वी हैव टू सर्कल ऑन दिस ट्री. सो माय डियर स्टूडेंट, इसी तरह से आप नियर एंड फॉर के कंसेप्ट को समझ सकते हो. And it's your homework. Do your homework on time and send up pic me on WhatsApp. Thank you. Have a nice day.